Look, you need to come home. It's boring around here without you.
You think you're bored? My dad's side of the family is like wet paint that never dries. How's the grill treating you?
Well, it's teaching me the value of a mundane human experience.
A summer job is good for you. You needed some normal in your life. What was that?
Nothing. Look, I gotta get back to work. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Wait, Jeremy. Is everything okay with you?
Yeah, normal and mundane. Come home soon, okay?
Okay.
Vicky.
I need you to switch sections with me.
Why?
Caroline and Tyler just sat in mine.
So?
So I don't feel like waiting on my ex-girlfriend.
Something's up with your mother.
Like what?
When I was over yesterday, she just kept eyeing me.
Hey, guys.
Did Matt make you switch sections? He thinks we're dating.
So does my mother.
What?
We're together all the time. It's not a leap.
That's crazy.
Right?